Engineering technicians from the Tulsa District Infrastructure Branch performed periodic inspections and maintenance at Kemp Dam near Seymour, Texas recently.
And as a part of our regular maintenance, every 5 years, the tech crew will come out. They'll do our regular cleanings to make sure the instruments are operating as effective. And these instruments help us whenever we get into high water events like we might have just had in Upper Red River, just to make sure the project is functioning like it's intended.
The team used advanced camera and submersible sonar systems to inspect the dam's relief wells, piezometers, tow drain, and stilling basin.
Most folks that are familiar with sonars are fishing sonars, and they operate at about 1200 megahertz. This SRV8 and the Oculus 3000 is equipped with the sonar that does up to 3000 megahertz. To give you an idea of its detail, it's seeing a tire on the bottom or seeing the tire tread.
Kemp Dam provides flood control, irrigation, and water supply to Wichita Falls. Originally completed in 1923, Lake Kemp is named for Joseph Alexander Kemp, a local business owner, entrepreneur, and advocate for Kemp Dam's construction. The City of Wichita Falls and Wichita County Water Improvement District 2 own Lake Kemp jointly. The Flood Control Act of 1962 authorized the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to redesign and reconstruct the dam. The Tulsa District continues its partnership with Wichita County Water Improvement District 2 and the City of Wichita Falls.
As far as coordinating the engineering expertise and the cost share agreements we have and getting it done, I really do feel good that the Corps has their eyes on things too, because there's a lot of times, even if you've got an employee that lives at a project, they see something every day, and when you bring those other eyes in from another area, they're liable to see something that you're not seeing, even though you see it every day.
Recent rainfall in the Upper Red River watershed reinforces the importance of inspections and maintenance for public safety's sake.
Since April, we've had over 20 inches in this area. Sometimes those rains were 3, 4, 5 inches at a time. If we hadn't had the dam at Lake Kemp upstream of Wichita Falls, we'd have had some major flood problems.